को 4 साढ़े 4 बजे सोने के टाइम पे नींद तो नहीं आ रही थी, पर अजीब से चक्कर जैसे आ रहे थे। उठ के बात करने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही थी, फ़ोन उठाना नहीं हो रहा था। मैं 1-1.5 घंटे तक ऐसे ही सोई रही। पर जब मेरे को देखा सब लोगों ने, तो वो जो भी है बोली बंद हो गया था, हाथ पैर पाँव ठंडे हो गए और मेरे से चला नहीं जा रहा था, बोलना नहीं जा रहा था।
So basically what had happened was my mother was sleeping in the daytime around 4:35, and suddenly she realized that she couldn't move her hands and legs, and also she lost her speech then. She was not in a position to call anyone, neither react to it. She saw people coming around, but she didn't have the energy or the consciousness to call anyone. Immediately we rushed her to the hospital. We had rushed to our family doctor first, and he suggested us to come down to Apollo. And then we came down here immediately. The doctor's team here was so quick and so responsive. They told us immediately without any wasting time. They gave us a suggestion that we need to go with a small surgery where the blood clot should be removed from the left part of the brain.
Emergency bandaga patient was having right-sided weakness. Completely, she was not able to move our right-sided upper limb and lower limb. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ನಮ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊದಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿತಿನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 hours 2.5 hours ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, NIHS ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ NIHS ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ doctors and staff immediately assessment madi. Then we came to conclude that the patient is having stroke.
Stroke is a condition which is caused by injury to the vascular supply of the brain. It could be either ischemic, where a clot forms in the vessel supplying the brain, or it could be hemorrhagic because of increase in the blood pressure causing rupture of the blood vessels. 85% of the strokes are ischemic in origin, and there is a golden hour once the symptoms of stroke are seen, such as weakness, facial asymmetry, unsteadiness, difficulty in swallowing or speech. The patient must rush to the hospital, and evaluation by the stroke team is done whether the patient is a candidate for intervention, such as within 4.5 hours one can give intravenous thrombolysis, which is given through IV, or else it can be done by the senior consultant neuroradiologist by the process of mechanical thrombectomy,
where the patient will be driven immediately to the cath lab, and with a small prick of a needle in the thigh region, we enter into the blood vessel, similar to a coronary procedure, that is the angiogram done for that. Here we reach the brain. As soon as we reach the brain, with the help of a special devices called as catheters and clot retrievers, we reach the level of the clot, which we have already seen with the CT scan or MRI, and hold the clot and pull out the clot. As soon as the clot is taken away, the blood starts flowing back to the brain and the patient recovers. And this is known as mechanical thrombectomy. The importance of this entire procedure is that we can only do this procedure if the patient reaches to the hospital, the comprehensive stroke center, within 6 hours.
अभी मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ, एकदम फाइन हूँ.
I really appreciate Apollo Hospital for giving us such great support and behaving so agile in this situation. And we are really thankful that we brought mother to this condition again and healthy and moving. We just request all of you to be a little quick in those next 6 hours whenever you feel the patient is uncomfortable, not in a position to breathe or talk anything. So this next 6 hours is a golden hour for you to save your loved ones. I request you people to please do not waste any time when you feel there is any risk factor in this moment. Please rush to the nearest hospital which is well equipped. I personally recommend Apollo Hospital because I've got the best team here to treat my mother here. Thank you.